Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to repair the error message I'm getting on my Canon MG5220 printer. Canon, and right now I got an error message. It says I got the printer head is incorrect. So I'll show you how to fix that. Pretty simple fix. Lift this up. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull all the ink cartridges out of this thing. Okay, you're going to lift this little lever here and pull this little guy out right here. So basically this thing is clogged. And the easy fix for this is quite simple. You're just going to use some warm water and rinse it like so until you get all the ink out of it, so the ink will flow through this here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put you on pause until I get this thing completely clear, and then I'll show you the next step. But just keep doing this over and over again until it's all the ink is out of this thing, and it'll be unclogged and ready to go. Alright, looks like I got it all cleared out. So I'll show you the next step. I'm just going to dry it out. Tap these off, your connectors. I'll show you how this great. So we're going to slide this back in. Oop. Got to put it in the right way though. If I did have it the right way. There we go. We'll put our ink back in. Done that. Okay, all back together. We'll shut this off and then turn it back on, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, it's turning back on, resetting. It's going to take a moment longer, but we can wait and see the results. Alright, so we still have the error message, so I'll show you the next step on this. Okay, this you're gonna have to reset it. We're gonna unplug it and close the lid. Take out your paper. Close the drawer back, and I'll be back in just 1 second with the next step. Alright, here's the next step. Now the final step. A new printer. And this is a laser jet, no longer dealing with the ink. And this is the HP LaserJet Pro MPF M28W. And I checked the reviews and it's got great reviews, so we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching.